guys, this is Chloe, and today I'm going to unbox Idea Factory's limited edition set for Birushana Rising Flower of Genpei. I'm also going to unbox a couple of Birushana merch from my last package haul from June. As you can see, I'm already opening up the package. This first one is from Idea Factory's international store. It's very tightly and safely packed, which is always good. And here's the limited edition box, and the Nintendo Switch game is probably the one inside the USPS bubble wrap. I really love the box cover art. The characters are just so beautiful. And here are Idea Factory's trading cards. It's my daughter, Shanao. She's so beautiful. Oh, I love her. Also, the Switch game comes with a reversible cover. I just didn't bother flipping it around. And now it's time to open up the limited edition box and check out what's inside. Here we have the cute chibi stickers. They are, by the way, the glossy type stickers. And here we have the character bromides or art prints. Each love interest gets one art print. And these were actually of a decent size. I like it. Next we have the steel case. This set is a little similar to their Cupid Parasite limited edition set, so you can kind of expect the same quality as well. And here we have the 2-disc CD, which is the game's soundtrack, and the additional CD is the drama track. Up next we have the art book. The art book contains short stories of the characters, by the way. Do not read it if you haven't not finished the game yet, if you don't want to spoil yourself rotten. The book also contains character sprite illustrations, which is pretty cool. And I love that it's hard-covered. That is it for the Birushana limited edition box. You can still, by the way, grab a copy of this at Idea Factory's international store. The link to the store is on the video description below. Moving on, we are going to unbox one of my June package, which has some Birushana merch in it. Having a bit of trouble opening up these boxes. Oh, there you go, finally. And here are my Birushana standees. I'm so excited. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's not Birushana, but it's an acrylic stand for Black Wolf Saga, which is also one of my favorite games. We're just gonna put this aside. Here are some art prints for Daddy Benkei. There's a lot of them, by the way, and I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do with them. I'll probably sell it or give it away, I don't know. And here is Benkei's Shikishi. Up next, we're gonna open the Birushana standees. Oh! What do we have here? It's Kagetsu Nemeru! I am just so obsessed with this character, so I'm just gonna open this one up real quick. It's so beautiful! Oh my gosh. Okay, finally! Birushana standees. Alright. We're gonna open up Tadanobu's standee so you can kind of see their sizes as well as their quality. These standees aren't double-sided though, which I would have preferred, but I still like this. I like this a lot. I also got the standees for Tsugunobu, Shigehara, and my daughter Shanao. And here are Benkei's heart badges, which I'm going to use later to make my Benkei themed Ita bag. Oh, I almost forgot. Here's Tomomori's standee. How can I forget about him? You know what I mean? Anyway, I'm probably going to use most of these badges for my Benkei themed Ita bag, which you'll get to see later on. And these are more badges and a chibi Benkei acrylic keychain. And here it is, guys, my Benkei themed Ita bag. And around it were the merch that we just unboxed a little earlier. I bought this green Ita bag, by the way, from Etsy, and the store's link is down below. So if you're interested in getting one for yourself, go ahead and click on that link. Thank you so much for tuning in today's unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more. And once again, my name is Chloe. I will see you all next time. Bye-bye!